number one that we are going to understand is maintindihan po natin itong industry na to. So what is network marketing? Network marketing, this is a business for helping other people change their lives for the better. So network marketing is a business platform, okay? Network marketing is an industry na kung saan po it is masked as a business. So, and then network marketing is a business that building a huge community of people na wherein we are going to share to them on how they're gonna buy and use the products and share it to people. And then what else, no? Network marketing is an industry na kung saan ito po yung industriya na tayo po ay nagko-conquer ng ating po mga fears, mga doubts, at mai-utilize po natin yan. And what else? Network marketing is all about duplication. Network marketing is all about leverage. And network marketing is all about building a residual income. And when we talk about network marketing is about delayed gratification concepts. Okay? So yun po yung mga ibig sabihin po ng network marketing. Sa akin po, ang nag-strike po sa akin talaga dyan is yung power of leverage, the power of duplication. So yun po, no? And then with this, no, ito pong the ability to discipline yourself to delay gratification in the short term in order to enjoy greater rewards in the long term is the indispensable prerequisite for success. So coaches, mga Live Good family, sa network marketing, kailangan maintindihan po natin yung tinatawag na delayed gratification concepts. Hindi po ito na get rich quick scheme na method na sumali ka ngayon, agad-agad kikita tayo ng malaki. It's not, no? So nandoon po talaga yung tinatawag na prerequisite na kung saan we really have to put in our effort of learning in this industry. Kaya ito pong ginagawa po natin ngayon na inilalagay po natin ang ating time, money, time, effort in this Zoom na para tayo po ay matuto. Okay, this is part of the process and it's really a prerequisite for success. Pag sinabi pong prerequisite, no, importante po yan kasi wala pong shortcut to success. Ang success po ay may kanya-kanya po tayong timetable. At syempre, we have to trust the timetable that God is giving us. So ngayon, yung network marketing, if you want to know more about it, pwede po tayo mag-research po sa Google, pwede po tayo mag-research sa YouTube. Aralin po natin, let us be on purpose. Kung tayo po ay nung nag-aaral po tayo ng during our school days, di ba meron po tayo mga assignment at tinuruan po tayo doon para mag-research, para mag-aral. So, nire-research po natin yon. Hello? So dito po sa business na to, this is alam natin na ang network marketing business ay nagpabago na ng buhay ng maraming tao. At lalong-lalo na nandito po tayo dito sa Live Good. In a span time of 11 months, mag-11 months pa lang po si Live Good ngayong November 13. Isipin mo, ilan na po ang mga diamonds? 820,000 na po tayo sa buong mundo. In the Philippines, we have, I think, 16 diamonds. We have 4 diamonds in our team. We have 16 platinums and many golds. So alam po natin na ito pong ating pong business ay nagbigay na ng pag-asa. Nagbigay po ng another source of income. May mga naging successful na kumita na ng 6-digit, 7-digit month after month after month. Pero alam niyo po ba na kinakailangan po yung tinatawag na delayed gratification concept na wherein, no? Kailangan nating matuto. Kailangan natin talagang aralin yon. So that's it, na para ma-enjoy po natin in the future yung benefit ng network marketing, we really have to understand the delayed gratification concept. We will understand about this more as we continue. Okay po? So now, when I started to engaging myself into network marketing, ako po, kinarir ko po ito, no, na kung saan, inaral ko po ito, bumili po ako ng pagkadami-dami pong mga libro, I attended many trainings, local and international. For how many years, no? Pumupunta pa po ako sa ibang bansa to attend the expos na kung saan doon po nagle-learn maliban pa sa mga librong binabasa. But when I check it out, itong si Robert Kiyosaki, sila John Maxwell, sila Zig Ziglar, Vincent Norman Piale, si Danny Johnson, si John Maxwell, and many more. Hello, ano ang sinasabi nila dito sa network marketing? Si Donald Trump, yung mga tao na yan, they believe the industry of network marketing. And according to Robert Kiyosaki, network marketing is a business, marketing business is the perfect business for people who like helping other people. What a purpose. Alam niyo po, nung ako po ay empleyado for 13 years, ang napansin ko po doon is reciprocal lang po yung relationship, yung benefit. Ako pumapasok, yung boss ko natutuwa kasi nagtatrabaho ako sumisweldo. Ganun lang. Yung boss ko masaya, ako din masaya. Pero apart from that, wala na. Humihingi sa akin ang mga magulang ko, ang aking mga kapatid, parang andoon talaga yung aray kasi gusto mo mang tumulong but it was not enough. In doing this business, bakit sobrang minahal ko na po ang network marketing? What a business na kung saan hindi lang ikaw yung nababago ang buhay. Kasi kung ang naisin mo talaga ay tumulong sa kapwa mo, sa team mo, sa organization mo, then network marketing is really for you. And what else? According to Robert Kiyosaki again, network marketing gives you the opportunity to face your fears, deal with them, overcome them, and bring out the winner that you have living inside you. Tatandaan po natin yan that we are born to become successful. We are created to become successful. At ito pong network marketing industry will bring out the best in us. Kasi hindi mo po ito ginagawang mag-isa. There is a community. You are surrounded by positive people na ili-lift up ka, i-educate ka kung willing po tayong matuto. Okay, if we have that hungerness within us. So according to Robert Kiyosaki, again, the richest people in the world look for and build networks. Everyone else look for work. So tatandaan po natin, sino ba yung mga tao talagang yumayaman? Ito po yung mga taong ini-embrace po nila ang network marketing. The majority, okay, the 80%ers, they just want to have a stable job. A job na just obeying their boss. I'm so sorry to say this. Kasi sa totoo lang, yun naman po talaga yon. Okay? So what else? Ito po si Bill Gates. Nung ako po ay musmus pa sa network marketing, nung nakita ko po ito, if I would be given a chance to start all over again, I would choose network marketing. So, isa ito sa nakapagpa-inspire sa akin nung nabasa ko po ito na kung si Bill Gates, no? I'm so sorry sa mga ginawa niya lately, but way back then, na nakita ko na kung si Bill Gates ay naniniwala sa network marketing, sino ako para hindi maniwala sa network marketing industry? So I hope na ito pong mga tao na to, na mga they are very successful people, they are respected authors, no? Sa mga libro, no? It's more than enough to really understand what network marketing is all about. So maybe the learnings, ito pong ating pong mga narinig ngayon is hindi pa enough, pero tingnan po natin itong mabuti. Let us do our assignment na aralin at kilalanin ano po ang network marketing. So furthermore, no, ang linear income, ito po yung normal na working in a job. So dito, tingnan nyo, no? Ako po, nang nag-o-office po ako, trabaho, si sweldo, babayad ng mga bills, babayad utang. Papasok na naman, papasok, trabaho, sweldo, babayad utang. Paulit-ulit lang yon. Nakakapagtabi ba ng savings? Meron ba papunta doon sa ating po mga pangarap? Hanggang nagtatagpo lang po, minsan kulang pa. So that is why, no, yan po yung tinatawag na linear income. The income that is proportionate to your efforts. Not even. So, pero yung totoong tinatawag na leverage income, wherein ito po yung true network marketing, you have, for you to have the true financial freedom, it can only be achieved if you put the power of leverage to really work for you. Kaya nga po tayo dito ay nagbi-build po tayo talaga ng network. So ito, kailangan maintindihan natin yan para ma-duplicate tayo ng tama. Because pag sinabi po nating network marketing, it's not all about you alone na ikaw lang ang marunong. It's all about how you duplicate yourself. Paano mo yan masiserox yung sarili mo? Paano mo maipapasa yung kaalaman mo sa baba? So, once you are a network marketer, we don't encourage you to be soloista. You really have to plug in to the system and allow the system really work for you. So, let's continue, no? So, I hope may na-learn tayo yung pagkakaiba po. Yung linear income that is directly proportionate doon po sa ating pong effort. Pero dito, meron tayong tinatawag dito na delayed gratification concept. Sa umpisa, no? malawak ang trabaho pero yung income maliit, but time will come, no? Yung income unstoppable, yung trabaho pero may period. Okay. So now, let's take a look on this. Isa din po ito sa nag-inspire po sa akin. Lagi ko po itong pinapaliwanag po sa inyo. And I would suggest na pag kayo po ay nakikipag-usap sa mga leaders ninyo, ituro nyo po sa kanila ano ang W principle. Teach them what W principle. Kasi sa buhay ko po, sa akin bilang isang network marketer, sobrang nag-ignite po sa akin ito ng thorough knowledge, ng thorough learning, ng thorough belief, no? Na kaya isa po ito sa mga kadahilanan bakit kinarir ko na po ito. Kasi nung thoroughly na intindihan ko na ito po talaga yung principle ng network marketing, there is no turning back. I am an accountant that I retired 15 years ago bilang isa pong accountant. Pinaghirapan ko po yun, pinagtrabahuan ko po yun. Kumbaga, di ba? Tuition fee and everything. Pero bakit napunta ako dito? Ngayon, this is really the opportunity na dapat seryosohin at tingnan natin. When I saw this W principle, I put everything on here. So anong meron po dito? The letter V here, no? Ito po munang LIT, this part, no? Ito pong effort. Sa umpisa, ito po yung tinatawag po nating delayed gratification concept. Because the effort na kailangan po natin ditong trabahuin pag tayo ay nag-uumpisa, this is the baseline, na kung saan sinasabi po sa atin that we have to learn. Learn talaga tayo thoroughly about the industry, about the company, the product, the pay plan, about the industry you belong. Kaya kanina tinakil po natin yung industriyang network marketing. Kasi kung halimbawa hindi po tayo naniniwala sa network marketing industry, it will sabotage your success. So kahit po tayo ay attend ng seminar or everything, nag-attend tayo ng mga Zoom, pag ikaw hindi ka sold sa network marketing per se, no? So talagang mahihirapan po tayo. And it's part na kailangan ma-learn po natin yan. Learn about the company Live Good. We discussed everything during Zooms. At alam na natin yan as leaders. So by the way, this is a training intended for leaders, for members, no? Na kayo po ay affiliate member na po ng Live Good. So the first effort na kailangan po nating ilagay po dito is really mag-aral. Can you please type the word learn in the chat box? Learn. So that is learning, because after you thoroughly learn, earning will follow. And the next effort na kailangan po natin ditong ilagay is yung mag-invite. Among all the 7 to 8 skill sets, no, na next week I have to tackle it to you. Yung among the 8 skill sets na meron po tayo, inviting is one of the most important skills, no? Na yun po yung magbibigay sa atin ng gateway, no? To our success in Live Good. At alam niyo, to tell you honestly, yung invitation na yan din po yung dahilan bakit maraming taong negative sa network marketing. Kasi depende po yan kung paano po tayo nag-i-invite. So dito, pag-aaralan po natin ng mabuti, no? Yung effort to really learn how to invite effectively, how to invite efficiently. At dito po, sino ba ang ating mga i-invite? These are the people na looking for an opportunity, na gusto pa nilang maabot ang kanilang mga pangarap. Ito po yung mga tao who wants to become healthy. So ito po yung mga tao na who want to help people change their lives for the better. Mag-i-invite po tayo dito ng mga tao na kailangan lang ng product, mga tao po na kailangan nila ng business. So iba-iba pong klase ng pangangailangan ng tao. We have to invite them to Live Good. So isa po yan, invitation. And letter T is teach. Learn, invite, and teach. Tandaan po natin yung acronym na yan. Kasi yan po yung pinaka-importante na kailangan po natin bigyan ng effort on how you gonna teach your team para po tayo ma-duplicate. Ituturo po natin sa kanila yung tamang mindset, skill sets, and strategy for them to become successful in business. So dito, ito po yung delayed gratification concept. Kasi kung titingnan nyo, yung effort is malawak. Isipin mo, nag-attend ka na ng trainings, nag-attend ka na ng Zoom, wala ka pa rin kita. It's just but normal. Pero pag ito na-duplicate ka na, nakita mo yan. Sinasabi po sa atin dito na may tuldok dito po sa effort. May tuldok sa dulo. Nagle-learn ka massively, nag-i-invite ka massively, nagtuturo ka, nagtiteach ka talaga ng malawak, ng effort mo talaga, nilagay mo dyan. Pero yung effort meron pong tuldok. That is the first part that we are going to learn, that we are going to invest. Dito po sa letter V on the left side, Ayan, pinakita po sa atin na itong letter V na to, ano nakikita nyo dyan? This is all about person. This is all about people. This is the people network. So ito pong ating pong negosyo, mag-uumpisa tayo lagi sa isang tao. Tama? Hindi naman tayo nag-start agad ng pagkadami-dami, no? Meron isa dyan, agad nakakausapin mo. And this person is all about, this one person knows somebody else, no? And one person knows someone. Kasi alam nyo po, this is all about influence. And I know that each one of us influences someone. Pag may pumasok sa atin ditong isang tao, kikita ka dyan ng $25 na weekly fast start bonus, right? So at habang lumalaki, kasi itong in-enroll mo, nag-enroll, at yung in-enroll niya, nag-enroll, hanggang sa lumalaki ang organizations mo, nagra-rank up ka, tingnan niyo po ng mabuti, itong letter V on the left side and letter V on the right side, yan po ay widely open. Inversely, proportionate po, no? Tingnan mo ha, kung ang effort may tuldok, dito po sa people, unlimited, kasi we are open in 200 plus countries, na unlimited po yan. Yung people, yung pasok ng tao, hindi mo na yan namamalayan. So nagmo-multiply ang tao mo at ang income mo din unstoppable. How would you love that? So nung nakita ko yung beauty ng network marketing, wow. Isipin mo kung meron kang ilan na ang tao mo. If you are diamond, minimum you must have 2,500. Pero wala namang ganun, lumalagpas eh. Isipin mo, no? Kung meron kang 2,000 tao sa organizations mo, pagpalagay po natin na tinatrabaho niya ang Live Good Business 1 hour or 2 to 3 hours a day. Pagpalagay natin 2 hours, kung meron kang 1,000 tao, you have 2,000 hours in one day. Tayo as an individual, nandoon tayo sa linear income. You still remember yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina? Papasok si sweldo, babayad utang. Binabayaran ka lang dahil sa'yo. And we only have 24 hours in one day na hindi naman natin fully utilize yung 24 hours na yon. Kakain, papasok, di ba? Maliligo, working 8 hours sa office, tapos 2 hours pa uwi dahil sa traffic, pabalik 2 hours, papasok. Di ba? Ilang oras ka na ginugol nun? 12 hours. So 12 hours para magpahinga sa family and everything, it's not even enough. So are you with me? So samantalang pag inaral po natin ang network, magmo-multiply po talaga tayo unlimitedly. So meron kang 2,000 na tao, na team members. Pagpalagay natin nagwo-work sila ng 1 to 2 hours or 3 hours in one day, part-time ginagawa ang business, how many hours could you have? Ang tatandaan po natin na time is always compensated to money. The more people you have in your organization, then the more money you have. Are you with me? So ganun po, no? Na dito, pag nagkaroon ka po ng unlimited people, ano po ang nale-leverage sa'yo dyan? You got this time leveraging. Namumultiply po ang ating pong time. Hello? At pag na-multiply po natin ang ating time, dyan na po papasok yung money leveraging. Hello? So nung nakita ko entirely, pwede nyo po yung i-screenshot. Kahit paulit-ulit ko pong ini-explain po sa inyo, this is totally the beauty of network marketing. Napakaganda, isn't it? Mag-aaral ka, lalawakan mo yung learning mo, yung invitation mo, yung teaching mo. Hindi ka lang hihinto sa nakapag-close ka. Kaya you have to allow your team to plug into the system para ma-duplicate po tayo, para mag-multiply po tayo. Hindi po tayo mabansot. Okay? So that's it, no? So I hope na makapag-screenshot po tayo. Did you learn so far on W principle? Okay, so let's go to the next slides. Okay. So the first topic na tinakil natin kanina is what is network marketing? Diba? Who is network marketing? So network marketing is not a perfect business. It was been abused. Diba? Pero there is nothing wrong with it. Kasi ito po yung talagang great equalizer na negosyo na pwede po sa lahat. Okay? Na buhay ang mga pangarap. Now, the second topic that we are going to discuss is self-evaluation and self-realization. So yung industriya na papasukin natin is network marketing. Pero it takes you to drive it. Ngayon, para tayo po ay mag-function or para tayo po ay mag-grow, dito po sa ating pong business, importante na magkaroon po tayo ng self-evaluation. Importante po na magkaroon tayo ng self-realization. I-define po natin yung ating pong why. Kasi kung ang ating pong pangarap ay buhay na buhay, meron kang mga pangarap, di ba? Na nag-i-ignite sa'yo, na nagbibigay ng ngiti sa'yo, nagbibigay ng saya, nagbibigay ng lakas, nagbibigay ng inspirasyon, nagbibigay ng courage, nagbibigay ng determination, ng discipline. Hello. Then congratulate yourself. Kasi yung why mo, yung pangarap mo, life is too short para i-expose natin yan sa mga negativity. Life is too short para i-consume natin yan to our self-limiting beliefs. So define our why clearly. So another thing more sa self-realization is willing ba tayong matuto? Baka gusto lang nating kumita, pero ayaw naman natin mag-pay ng price. The price of learning. So if sa tingin mo buhay ang pangarap mo, big check yan. At kung sa tingin mo ikaw yung isang leader or affiliate member na willing kang matuto whatever it takes. Hello? Then check mo sarili mo. And number 3, letter C is must be coachable, obey, and follow direction. This is very, very important. Because no matter how great you are, always remember this. A great leader is always a great follower. And for you to be a great follower, you must be coachable. You must be teachable. You must obey and follow direction. Tatandaan natin, monkey see, monkey do. Kung ano nakikita ng team mo sa'yo, yun ang kukopyahin nila. Kung ikaw baliwala lang, hindi ka naman talaga nagtitake charge sa business mo, swerte mo kung nakatagpo ka ng leader mo na mas malupit pa ang pangarap sa'yo. Hello? We are here to inspire people. As an upline, magpapaka-upline po talaga tayo. And letter D is take massive action. So this is the second part that we are going to discuss. Okay? Lalawakan po natin ito. So take a look on this. Ano yung nakikita nyo sa screen? It is an airplane. Si Live Good ay naihahalin tulad po natin yan sa isang eroplano. Sa paglalakbay po natin, marami po tayong pwedeng sakyan. Sakay tayo sa bisikleta, sakay po tayo sa kotse, pwede din tayo sumakay sa tricycle, sa kalesa, in any form. Makakarating po tayo niyan doon sa ating pong paruroonan. Okay. So dito si Live Good, kaya kinumpare ko po siya sa isang airplane, kasi ano ba ang ating gustong marating? Ano ba ang gusto nating marating? Of course, no? Sabi natin sa self-realization is for us to clearly define our why. Ano ba yung why natin? This is the cars. Pangarap mo ba magkaroon ka ng sasakyan? Pangarap ko po yan dati. House and lot, charity, gusto mo bang tumulong? Pangarap ko po yan ngayon. At ako, sobra po akong saya. Kasi nakikita ko po sa Live Good na makakapagkawang gawa po talaga ako. Kaya yung mga tulog ko ng pangarap, yung mga pangarap na tinago ko na po sa baul, ay talagang binuksan ko na. Buhay na buhay na buhay na buhay. So what about education for your children, for your family, savings, pension, travels, personal growth, health, and wellness? So marami pa pong iba. Dito sa Live Good, pwede po tayong turuan na magpaka-healthy. Tandaan nyo yung mission ni Live Good, to share to people, to stay healthy, get healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Diba? So ito po, isa po ito sa mga defining our clear why. Bakit natin po gagawin po si Live Good? Live Good family, my question. Itong nakikita niya sa screen, na pwedeng sabihin po natin ito po ang ating dream board. Do you think you need this? Can you type yes in the chat box kung sa tingin mo ikaw po ay nangangarap na abutin itong mga ito? Hello? Gusto ba nating abutin yan? Yes, Dorothy. Yes. Yes, Marilu. Yes. So ngayon tingnan nyo, anong ginagawa po natin pag tayo po ay nangangarap? Di ba normally tumitingala po tayo? Tingalain po natin ang ating pong pangarap. Tingnan nyo po ang ating pong mga pangarap. Buhayin po natin ang ating pong mga pangarap. At maniwala ka na sa mga pangarap mo na yan, maaabot mo yan. And you have to congratulate yourself because you are in this Zoom or maybe you are listening on the recorded dito po sa ating LGSEI Academy. And now, at this very moment, you are listening. Are you listening so far? Nakikinig ka ba? So sa pakikinig po natin, nandyan po nangyayari yung learning. Natututo po tayo. At habang tayo po ay natututo, tendency is isinishare po natin yan. Pag tayo po ay nagsishare, tendency is magduduplicate po yan. Always remember, you will always start with one person. Ang tanong, paano mo inimpluwensyahan yung tao na yon? Kung itong ating mga learnings ngayon, itong ginawa mo is dinuplicate mo, itinuro mo. Pag nagduplicate ka, na-multiply ka, pag nag-multiply ka, you are into network. At base sa ating pong pag-uusap kanina, yung network marketing is a perfect profession masked as a business. Hello. 'Di ba po? So na kung saan pag tayo po ay nasa network, andyan na po yung tinatawag po na freedom. The financial freedom, the time freedom, the knowledge freedom, the charitable freedom, the travel freedom, whatever freedom that you want in your life. At yan po yung number one na dapat po nating halongkatin. Yan po yung isang number one factor sa self-realization na ma-clearly define po natin ano ang why natin sa buhay natin. So kung sa tingin mo medyo malabo ang ating pong why, tingnan niyo po ang pamilya mo. Tingnan niyo ang kapaligiran niyo. Tingnan niyo yung sarili niyo. Kausapin niyo po. Is this the kind of life I really want to stay? Ito na ba talaga? Ngayon kung sa tingin mo, hindi pa sapat, tingnan natin ang mabuti si Live Good. Kung paano tayo tutulungan maabot ang ating mga pangarap through Live Good. Okay? So number 1 is define your why. Number 2 is the willingness to learn on the company product pay plan and building the business. Itong company product compensation plan, well discussed na po ito sa mga Zoom. Okay? That is why each one of us is talagang ini-encourage na pumasok po kayo sa Zoom. Mag-plug in po kayo sa Zoom. Kahit pa ulit-ulit po yan. Kasi mag-share ka eh. Ngayon, anong isi-share mo kung hindi mo kilala si Live Good? Anong isi-share mo kung yung mga product ni Live Good hindi mo alam? Anong isi-share mo kung yung pay plan hindi mo pa kayang ipaliwanag? Hello, you have to learn your business. And yung building the business per se, dito po tayo mag-discuss ng mas malalim-lalim. Okay? So let's continue. Must be coachable, obey, and follow direction. So dito po sa coachability, following direction, isa po dyan na kailangan po nating gawin. If you are teachable enough, if you are serious, na gusto mo talagang maabot ang pagiging diamond. Many of you type in the chat box kanina na gusto nyo maging diamond. Importante po, number 1 is plug into the system and let the system work for you. Isipin mo kung ang negosyo nyo, wala pong sistema. Paano sa tingin mo na i-educate yung tao? Paano sa tingin mo mai-inspire yung mga team mo? Paano natin sila i-recharge? Paano natin sila matuturuan kung wala po tayo sa system? Kaya napakasimple po ng GPS. Get in, plug in, stay in. Plug into the system and let the system work for you. The system of group chats, the system of Zoom, isipin mo wala na po tayong hahanapin. Kasi andito na po talaga lahat. Mayroon tayong 3 o'clock Zoom, mayroon tayong 8 o'clock Zoom, mayroon tayong YouTube channel. Nilalive ko pa po sa aking Facebook account ang ating po mga Zoom. Para wala na po tayong dahilan para mahina ang internet or everything. It's already in us. Attainable. Naaabot po ng ating pong mga daliri ng ating pong kamay. And number 2 is attend trainings. Importante po itong trainings na to. Kasi dito po tayo kaya nga plug in and stay in. No? Plug and play po tayo. Kasi sasabak ka ng sasabak sa labas. Isipin mo, malulobat ka. Eh kung hindi ka a-attend ng trainings, paano tayo mare-recharge? And conduct the business cycle. Ano ba yung mga business cycle natin? Hello? Siyempre, it will start from the skills at from your prospect lists. It will start on how you invite, on how you bring them to the Zoom. Paano ka nag-present, nag-follow up, nag-handle ng objection, nag-close ng deal. Paano mo tinuruan yung tao mag-get started? Paano mo sila tinuruan na magkaroon po tayo, ma-master po natin ang inviting to the events. Yung mag-invite po tayo ng mga leaders natin papunta dito sa ating po mga Zoom, sa ating po mga trainings. Because those are the sets, the skill sets, the business cycles na kinakailangan po natin. Yung mag-attend po tayo ng mga trainings. And of course, no, to create leaders in our organization. So we need to understand the business cycle. in building the business. At dito po, kailangan po natin ng massive invitation. Mag-invite po tayo ng mga prospects. That is the gateway to success. At dito po, no, habang tayo po ay nag-a-attend ng mga trainings, ano ang nangyayari? The normal thing that happens is nadadagdagan po ang ating pong skills. Na-enhance po yung ating belief level. Yung ating pong mindsets, mas na more nagiging positive po tayo. Hello? At once na na-skilled po tayo, na-improve yung ating pong skill sets one at a time, nagiging matalas po yung ating pong mga skill sets. The way we talk to people, the way we present, the way we invite, the way we close the deal, the way we duplicate, the way we conduct trainings, everything. Sobrang nasya-sharpen ang ating pong so. Pag tayo po ay natututo ng isang skill sets one at a time, alam niyo po ba na yung ating confidence na bibuild? Pag tayo po ay nagkakaroon ng confidence, okay, the more po tayo nagiging productive. Nagkakaroon po tayo ng results. At pag nagkaroon po tayo ng results, it will build again another confidence hanggang you will acquire more skill sets and so on and so forth. So importante yun. Yung trainings na to, itong business cycle na to, trusting the process na meron tayo, importante yon ang tinatawag na coachability, obeying and follow direction. Okay po? Isipin mo kung hindi tayo nagpa-plug in, hindi tayo nag-a-attend ng trainings. Hello? At hindi natin naiintindihan yung business cycle. Ang pagkaintindi lang natin is just good up to the selling. No, it's not. Kung upline po tayo, it is our responsibility to caddy yung ating po mga team. Naturuan natin sila kung saan sila mag-tune in. Okay po? And plugging into the system is very, very important. Okay po? So next, I hope na you learn on this so far and take massive action. Ano ba yung action na kailangan natin dito pagtuunan ng pansin? Ito po yung inviting. Yung massive invitation, ito po talaga yung gateway to success. Kasi kung hindi natin gagalingan mag-invite, paano ka kikita ng weekly fast start? Paano ka magkakaroon ng matching bonus? Ang matching bonus, that is the main dish of the pay plan. Diyan po talaga yung talagang pinakamasarap na putahe ng ating pong game plan, ng ating pong complan. Ngayon, yung matching bonus, magkakaroon po tayo ng matching bonus depende sa dami po ng ating pong mga leaders na na-create. My question, saan ba nakikreate ang mga leaders? Ang leaders ay nakikreate po sa ating pong mga trainings. Kaya napaka-importante pa rin ng trainings. So number 1 is inviting. Number 2 is presenting, support system, andyan na po yan. Next na massive invitation is follow-up, handle, objection, close, promote events. So tayo po, ang madalas na ginagamit po natin sa online, these are the Zooms and trainings. Meron din po tayo mga offline, may mga hubs po tayo. Like sa Cebu, meron po tayo ng hub. Sa Brainbook Club Hub. So, dito po sa massive invitation, you have to go wide. Kasi first and foremost, ang Live Good Complan is infinite. Yung infinite wide po natin, 10th level diff. Ibig sabihin, go wide unlimitedly. Meaning to say, you can enroll as many as you can. As many as you can. Ako po sobrang gigil na po ako mag-massive enrollments. Time ko na lang po talaga ang kulang. And then go deep. Kaya dapat po dito, magbibuild po tayo. Pupulot ka dyan ng mga leaders sa organization, maybe not your direct is the leader. Maybe yung in-enroll mo, andoon yung leader. Kaya bababa ka talaga. At mag-connect ka sa grupo, mag-build ka ng relationship. You need to know how to identify leaders, the people who are really dreamers in your organization, the people who are achievers. Hindi lang yung sarili mo lang ang titingnan mo dito. If you are really a network marketer, you have to build a relationship within the organization because this is, after all, a relational marketing. Are you with me? So dito po sa massive action, you keep on enrolling and you have to duplicate through trainings. Kasi ito pong ating mga pinag-uusapan ngayon, paano natin ito maduduplicate kung hindi po nakatune in ang tao natin sa sistema na meron po tayo? Let's continue. So I hope you learn on this part. And next slides is business preparation, number 3. So number 1, letter A dito is self-preparation. So dito po sa business preparation, okay, magbe-business na tayo. Tama? Number 1, na kailangan ihanda natin sa sarili natin. This is our assignment. Okay? This is not all about your upline or your downline or anyone else. This is all about you. Ikaw lang ang in control of your mind. You have to work on the mindsets that you have. Are you positive? Are you optimistic? Anong klaseng mindset meron po tayo? Hello? Yung mindset is everything. Alam niyo po, nandyan po ang gitno. Ito po ang this is the gold mine. Andyan po yan. Yan pong ating brain na nakikita po sa gitna, sa pagitan po ng ating dalawang mata. Yan pong mindset na yan, napaka-importante yan because mindset is everything. That's why we said here, no? Be careful on how you think because it will describe of who you are. Ngayon, yung mindset na yan, listen carefully. This is what I learned from Harv T. Eker. I read The Millionaire Mindset book by Harv T. Eker. Alam mo, ang sabi niyang ganun, we are not, our mind doesn't own us. We own our mind. Medyo malalim, no? Our mind doesn't own us. We own our mind. Because mindsets, ito pong ating mindsets, ang ating pong mind, these are just a filing cabinet of many informations we gathered in our entire life. Live Good family, listen very carefully. Yung utak natin, yung nasa isip natin, compilations ito ng maraming informations na nakuha natin sa iba-ibang tao. From our teachers, from our parents, from our peers, from our friends, from the YouTube, from Facebook, from anyone. Na kung saan yung my main responsibility to scrutinize is tayo. Kaya iyang mindsets na meron tayo, these are just a filing cabinet na ikaw ang may kakayahan. You have the power to really upload informations that is helpful sa goal mo dito sa Live Good. You have the power to delete informations na hindi helpful sa iyo. You have the power to upload informations that will help your mindsets. And you have the power to delete informations that are not helpful to you. Kaya be careful. Ito pong ating pong minds. Sino, kanino tayo talaga makikinig. And number 1, bakit po talaga, dyan po yung pinakaumpisa na yung tao nagiging successful. Number 1 is the mindset. Paano po tayo nag-iisip? So guard on your mindset. Okay? That is your gold mine. That is our gold mine. Diyan po nag-uumpisa lahat. At ang ating pong trabaho rito is patabain po natin ang ating pong isip. Patabain po natin yan. Ano ba ang mga inilalagay po natin dyan? Positive ba or negative? Yan bang mga nilalagay natin dyan ay nagbibigay ba sa atin ng lakas? Nagbibigay ba sa atin ng positive perspective in life? Kasi kung iyong ipapasok natin sa mindsets natin will sabotage our success, you better delete. You better throw it away. Hello? Be careful. Minsan, masyadong mapagling lang yung mga informations that we get from outside world. Ngayon, I wanna call to all leaders, to all Live Good family. Take a deep breath. Take a deep evaluation. Where is Live Good right now? Who is Live Good right now? We sprouted like mushrooms. We have the fastest growth company ever launched. We are a revolutionary company na tinanggal ang lahat ng pahirap. We are a disruption in this industry na ginawang madali ang lahat. Is this not yet enough for us to bear into our mind na nandito ka na sa pinakamagandang platform. Bakit kailangan pa natin mag-isip ng iba? Bakit kailangan pa natin tumingin sa iba? So depende yan sa kung anong level of mindsets ang ilalagay natin sa ating isip. So self-preparation number 1. Because no matter how great we are, kahit anong galing natin, pag pinulyot natin ang ating mind ng something kahit gabuk lang na pagdududa, it will destroy you and it can destroy you. So be careful how you think because mindset is everything. Number 2, skill sets. Itong skill sets na to, separate module yan. Kasi we will be teaching to you, no, all the skill sets from the prospect lists to inviting, to presenting, to follow up, handle objection, to close, to get started, to master the art of how to promote events, and how you gonna duplicate to create leaders down the line. So isa pong module yan. Okay po? We are going to tackle that next Saturday. And number 3 is the strategy. Kasi pag meron po tayong mindset plus skill sets, pinagsama po natin yan, then plus the strategy, done deal na po tayo. Okay po? So that's it. So that involves the self-preparation. And dito po sa self-preparation, developing your mindset, this is what I explained to you a while ago. And then master the simple skill sets. Wait po tayo until next week. Most likely may alam na po tayo, pero hihimay-himayin po natin yan. And then the strategy to use the mindset and the skill sets para ma-fully utilize po yan, we need the strategy. Kasi positive man ang mindset natin at yung skill sets, pero yung strategy natin mali, maaaring maka-apekto po yan sa growth natin dito sa ating business. And for us to become very successful, take a look on this. The vehicle Live Good is already given. Sabihin na natin 100%. Kasi para sa akin po, I said always that Live Good is second to nothing. Okay po? Ngayon, kung may nakita po kayong mas maganda sa Live Good, pwede nyo i-share sa amin. Baka sumali kami sa'yo. Pero pag wala, I'm so sorry. And the vehicle is given. Okay po? So, ano sabi ko kanina, tayo po ay isang piloto. So, the first thing for us to be an expert pilot, kailangan mag-aral po tayo. That is why here, we focus on ourselves, growing ourselves, work on yourself, become the person that we wanted to be because we're gonna attract of who we become. Hello? So, work on ourselves. At paano natin mawo-work yung ating pong sarili? The constant and never-ending improvements. Every day, we keep on growing. Can you imagine kahit mag-focus lang tayo ng 1% growth every day? 1% growth. Can you please type in the chat box 1%? Alam nyo, hindi natin kailangan maging super galing po pag tayo ay nag-network. It's just okay na nagkakamali po tayo. Ang importante, naka-tune in tayo sa tama, naka-align tayo sa tamang proseso, working on ourselves to become better and better. Kasi tingnan mo, kung 1% nag-grow ka, 1% nag-grow ka ngayon, gumaling ka doon sa inyong invitation skills. Hello? Bukas, wow, grabe, okay yung approach ko. Nag-improve ka na naman. Nag-improve ka, you are improving yourself one step at a time. 1% after 30 days, you grow already. 30%. You are 30% better than last month. Hello? Ngayon, kung tuloy-tuloy ang pag-mold mo sa sarili mo, to become better, to become extraordinary. Kasi si Live Good is extraordinary platform. The constant and never-ending improvement ay pinoposes mo yan sa sarili mo. That I have to become the best upline. I need to become the best downline. I need to become the best leader that I really wanted to be. I want to become a great follower, a great leader. Nandiyan yung desire na pagnanasa mo niyan to become better and better and better. Maniwala po kayo. Darating isang araw, magugulat ka na lang what kind of person you become. At doon po tayo makakapag-attract of who we really become. To become successful, Live Good family, the vehicle is given. The most important thing here is ikaw. Kaya nandito tayo sa training na to really work on ourselves. And congratulations for those who are in the zone. Okay? So now, next slides. Number 3, punta na po tayo sa business preparation. Your first 48 hours. Okay, review on the onboarding business plan. Meron po tayo dito mga trainings. Punta po kayo sa YouTube channel. Coach Jericho Erinco conducted us 2 trainings about the navigation on the back office. Kailangan alam na po natin yung buksan ang ating back office sa LiveGood. Memorize po natin kailan ang ating auto ship date. Huwag na po tayo mag-antay ng 25th of the month, cut off sa subscription. Hanggang sa last day, saka lang tayo magbabayad ng subscription. Tatandaan niyo po ito, no? Sa weekly fast start, we're not on the comp plan. Magkakaroon po tayo ng detailed pay plan na trainings. Pero I want you to remind on this. Baka hindi po natin alam lahat yan. Meron tayong weekly fast start bonus. Yung weekly fast start bonus, if you are inactive, you cannot earn money. Because you are being paid by LiveGood on that particular week, the highest position that you have. Paano kung ikaw ay inactive? Naging retail customer ka. Tapos ikaw ay silver, ikaw ay gold, na dapat kikita ka na ng 4th level, 6th level, tapos inactive ka. Kasi ang matrix, di bale, kasi sa katapusan pa naman. Ano mangyayari sa weekly fast start income mo? Di wala. Hello? Kaya better review po natin yung ating pong onboarding business plan. Yung ating po dyan mga, kailan ba tayo nag-sign up? Makikita nyo yan dyan sa order history. Okay po? So check it out. Reviewin po natin ang butin. Navigate the back office. Memorize po natin ang lahat about the business plan of LiveGood. Okay, familiarize the back office. Yung ating pong onboarding business plan, ano ba yung mga bagay nating dapat matutunan? Create your 90-day game plan. This is very, very important. Ano ang plano mo in your next 3 months with LiveGood? Alam nyo po, hindi ka po magsisisi. Pag ito winork out mo yung 90-day game plan, na you have to take a serious discipline into your action, day by day, na itong araw na to, itong next 3 months na to, full-time kong gagawin si LiveGood. Gagawin ko yung pinaka-best of me. Maniwala po kayo. Yung first 90 days nyo, may resultang extraordinary mangyayari po sa group, sa buhay nyo. Why did I say so? Nung nakita ko po yung opportunity ni LiveGood, I talked to my children. Sabi ko, mga anak, napakaganda na nakita ko sa LiveGood. Wala muna akong groceries. Wala muna akong mga gagawin dito sa bahay. Kayo munang bahala. Dito muna ako sa kwarto ko. Alam mo, nung time na nag-start ako sa business ko, ang dami kong kalat, wala mo nang ligpit-ligpit, sa ano lang yan. Grabe talaga. Yung laser focus, yung burst of energy, inilagay ko po talaga dyan sa 90-day game plan na yan. Kaya nga po, mabilis po ako nag-platinum. I thought I become diamond in 3 months to 4 months. Pero God never allowed it. And I still thank God. Kahit ginawa po yun na 5 months. We have to trust the timetable that God gave us. Pero yung pinaka-importante po dito is mag-create po tayo ng 90-day game plan kasi yun po ang magbibigay sa atin ng direction. Paano mo hahatawin, ididisiplina ang business mo? Anong mga action plan ang gagawin mo? So your first 48 hours, kailangan importante yan. Review your onboarding business plan, familiarize your back office, and create your 90-day game plan. How do you project yourself in the next 3 months from now? Pinoproject mo ba na isa ka ng diamond? Pinoproject mo ba na isa ka ng platinum 3 months from now? How do you project yourself on that 90-day game plan? Kailangan mamaya as you continue, kaya wag kang aalis. Yung ating last part, which is the climax of this training, will give you the focus, will give you the game plan kung paano po natin to hahatawin. So, next one on the business preparation is for you to identify the pillars of success. Your upline, okay, is the business mentor. Your upline is your lifeline. Importante po yan. Ano ka, putok sa buho? Hindi ka po lalabas sa LiveGood kung wala ka pong upline. Kaya we have to always thank our upline kasi siya yung naging daluyan ng pagpapala. Siya po yung dahilan bakit tayo nandito. And your upline is your business mentor. Yan ang magtuturo sa'yo. Paano to upline? Paano magganito? Ganyan-ganyan. Nung umpisa pa lang po ako talaga dito, nagpaturo po ako kay upline ng paano yung mga basic-basic na yan. Talaga naka-tune in ako sa lahat ng mga Zooms for 4 months. Yung mahigit 1 buwan ko hanggang ako ay nag-platinum, wala po akong mintis sa Zoom ni Coach Fernan Santiago. At sa loob ng 4 na buwan, hindi po ako nag-conduct ng kahit isang presentation. Hindi rin po ako nagpakapi sa labas. Nasa loob lang ako ng bahay. Nag-i-invite lang ako, dinadala ko lang po yung mga tao sa Zoom. Hindi man sila pumasok sa Zoom, sinisend ko yung recorded video. And I just talk to people. Okay? So the pillars of success is your upline. Your upline is your business mentor. Next one is pillars of success, your educational system. Tayo po dito sa LGSEI, meron na po tayong academy. Isipin mo, meron tayong training system na tuturuan natin yung ating team. Okay, punta ka doon sa LGSEI Academy. Turuan mo sila na sagutin ng tama yung mga questions doon para ma-approve sila. At mapanood nila yung mga training modules natin. Mayroon na tayong module 1, module 2. Hello? Tapos naman ano pang mangyayari? Meron nandoon yung paano tayo maduduplicate. You imagine this. Pag meron kang 1,000 tao, kaya 100 tao or 20 tao, lahat yun naturuan natin ng tama paano gawin ang business. How do you think your business will explode? At meron din po tayong mga Live Good trainings. Alam mo yung Friday Fire Starter, yung ating po mga cut-off training, yung mga ginagawa po na trainings ng ating po mga apply na madaling araw. Nung nag-uumpisa po ako, alam mo, wala din po akong absent noon. Hello? Grabe. And even until now, nakikinig pa rin po ako lagi. Ay, hindi pala lagi, paminsan-minsan. Kasi dami ko na rin po talagang ginagawa. But nagiging recharge po yun. So, yan po yung ating pong educational system. And number 3, na pillar of success, syempre, the Live Good business per se. Mag-scout po kayo ng negosyo sa labas. Meron pa ba kayong makikita na kasing lupit ng Live Good? Kasi kung halimbawa, yung business ni Live Good, i-reinvent pa natin, ibig sabihin you are doubtful with the business that you have with Live Good. Wag na po natin i-reinvent ang wheel. The pillars of success, the Live Good business is proven and tested. Nag-create na po yan ng mga diamonds, crown diamonds. Nag-create na po yan ng maraming platinums around the world. Nag-explode na po yan. Open in 200 plus countries na po tayo. Marami na pong buhay ang nabago dahil po sa Live Good business. Kaya wag na po natin yan i-reinvent. So what you're gonna do is do not reinvent the system that we have. Work on yourself. Work on your belief. Work on your skill sets. Work on your mindsets. Kasi kung meron tayong mga tao ditong nalalagas or may mga tao tayong pinanghihinaan on everything, it depends upon us kung paano natin yan ipinapasa sa kanila. Ngayon, kung hindi mo yan kayang i-uplift, bring them to the trainings. Bring them to the Zoom. Teach them the right way to do the business. Wala pong shortcut sa success. Okay? So that's it. So these are the pillar of success. And next one is, in business preparation, you have to work of becoming a core leader. Paano ba tayo magiging core leader? Number 1 is you have to show your business consistently. Hindi po yung para tayong lulubog lilitaw. Lulubog lilitaw. Hahataw, maya-maya mawawala. Mamaya-maya lobat. No. You have to do your business consistently. Hello? Wala pong nagwo-work na ngayon positive, bukas wala na naman. Kailangan po talaga consistent. Araw-araw nagpe-present. Araw-araw nagpapalipad ng ating pong landing page. Pansinin mo, hindi ka na nagpalipad ng landing page kaya walang pre-enrollment. I could set myself as a very, very good example. Mula nung March 20, ngayon lang po akong latest na nagpapalipad ng landing page ko. At nung active po ako nagpapalipad ng landing page, maniwala po kayo, ang lawak po ng exposure. Meron may sasali nga, hindi ko pa kilala eh. So you have to show your business consistently in many aspects. Like for example, in the community that you have. Nagpaparamdam ka ba? Applying ka. Meron nga kayo doong chat box. Meron kayong GC. Ang tahitahimik naman. Ni hindi ka man lang mag-send doon ng kunting pampa-encourage. I am throwing positive motivation or inspiration in the chat box, pero huwag mo iasa kay upline. Iba din yung ikaw mismo is andun ka, nagpaparamdam ka. Kasi nakatingin po ang ating pong team sa atin. Tandaan nyo, monkey see, monkey do. Show your business consistently. Follow the educational system. Okay? Plug in po tayo sa system na meron po tayo. Attend trainings. I-invite nyo ang team po ninyo sa LGSEI Academy. Teach them to answer properly the 3 questions para ma-approve po sila. Help your team on onboarding business plan. Turuan po natin sila, okay, about how to get started in our Live Good business. You have to learn, do and duplicate, and never work alone. Learn, do and duplicate, okay? Matuto ka, aralin natin to, gawin natin, ituro natin yung natutunan natin. And never, ever, ever work alone. Okay? Huwag po tayo maging soloista. Huwag na po na tayo mag-network kung gusto lang natin mag-isa tayo. Mag-office na lang po tayo pag ganun. And read 15 minutes per day of recommended books. So, magbasa po tayo ng mga libro. Okay po? There are so many suggested books that we need to read. Okay po? Like The Cash Flow Squadrons, Millionaire Mindsets, ang dami po, First Step to Success, Foundation of Wealth, ano ba yun? Influencing people around us, within us. Ang dami po. And one best book that I could really recommend, 15 minutes lang po per day. You can read also your Bible. Kasi alam niyo po, kung wala po talaga din ang wisdom of understanding and learning, ang hirap din po gawin ang ating pong business pag wala pong guidance ni Lord. Okay po? We have 1,440 minutes in one day time. 15 minutes per day is more than enough for us to really read books. Positive books na makakatulong po sa atin para tayo po ay maging positive sa outside world. Listen to one video, positive audio per day. Pwede pong makinig po kayo habang naglalaba kayo or naglilinis, nagtutupi ng iyong kama. Diba? Play mo. Yung ating po mga trainings, pwede mong gawing musika yan. Diba? Habang ikaw, basta, you can have your Bluetooth here, yung meron kang headset. Pwede mong nagpi-play ka, nakikinig ka, nata-traffic ka, makinig ka ng mga trainings. Kasi consciously, you are putting into your mind. At pumapasok yan subconsciously sa puso't isipan mo. Embedded na sa sistema mo, and then unconsciously you're throwing it away to people. At doon nakikita ng tao kung ano ka, anong pinoproject mo, anong sinishare mo. Kasi yung non-verbal gestures po natin, it communicates. At yung mga non-verbal gestures natin na yan ay na-formulate yan through the belief system na na-work within us. At paano natin ma-work yung sarili natin? We need to work on ourselves, be a core leader. Magbasa po tayo ng libro. First thing in the morning. And then, makinig po tayo ng audio. Okay? Ang dami po sa internet. Sa YouTube, ang dami po dyan. Type ka lang po dyan, The Power of the Dream. Yung kagaya ng kaninang plinay ko. Ay, grabe, kikilabutan ka. What is network marketing? Ang dami po doon na pwede mo pong pag-aralan. I-search mo ng i-search, i-play mo ng i-play. Maging matakaw ka po na matuto. Maniwala po kayo, it will help you to become the best person that you wanted to be. And be a team player. Alam niyo po, showing up is 80% of success. A team player. Because team play, you need to be a team player. Tandaan po natin, teamwork makes dream work. Okay? So these are the core values na kailangan po natin para po tayo ay maging core leader. So this is the business preparation. So konti na lang, papunta na po tayo sa climax. Okay. So master the business plan. Okay. Master po natin ang GPS and duplicate. So uulitin ko po, lagi po itong tinuturo sa atin, get in, learn the business, plug in, keep updated on the GC, attend ka ng mga Zoom, invite, attend ka ng trainings, welcome your affiliates, recognize promotions. I-welcome nyo po ang inyo pong mga affiliates, isama mo po sila sa ating pong mga GC. Gawan mo po sila ng welcome dyan. Kung marunong ka mong mag-Canva, okay, get the Canva template. Kung hindi naman po, like me, alam nyo anong ginagawa ko nung aking mga affiliate? Ginagawan ko ng Picolads kasi yun ang alam ko. And stay in, don't miss your monthly subscription. Stay in ka dito sa ating system na meron. Okay? Master po natin yung GPS na yan. Gawin natin at ituro po natin. Okay? It's too simple but it is very, very important. Okay. So, dito sa nasa last part na po tayo. This is already the climax. Setting up your goal. Why is it that a goal is very, very important? Bakit kailangan yung goal? Kasi sa totoo lang, yung ating pong business sa Live Good, may kinalaman po sa ating pong goal. With this, no, we need a goal for us to give direction. Isipin mo kung wala kang target, hindi mo tina-target yan. And for us to have a goal, alam mo kung ano ang kailangan po natin dyan? We have to begin with the end of the mind. And we have to have that focus, a laser focus on the goal that we want to be. So ano ang gusto natin? Sabi natin kanina, we want to become diamond. So now, to become diamond, it gives us direction, stair steps. For us to become diamond, hindi pwedeng diamond agad tayo doon. Number one, we have to work on here. 'Di ba? Maging affiliate member muna tayo, maging bronze, maging silver, 'di ba? Maging gold, maging platinum, maging diamond. At along the process, andyan yung talagang inaaral natin yan lahat-lahat. Kaya po tayo nagkakandak ng training. Ang lawak-lawak ng ating mga areas or the scope of learnings na kailangan po natin ma-educate for us to become professional in building our business. So ito pong goal, it gives direction. And number two, it measures progress. Isipin mo yon, check ka, ang ganda-ganda ng ating pong back office. Titingin ka doon, ilan pa ang kulang? Asaan pa yung kulang ko dito para ako ay maging silver? Para ako ay maging gold? Nakikita natin doon yung mga butas-butas doon po sa ating back office. It will track your progress. Hello? Ngayon, pag sa tingin mo, malalim na ang tao mo, nandoon ka na sa 100 and still gold, bronze ka pa lang. Hello? I have to tell this. Minsan ang grupo natin malaki na ang volume. 50, 100, 200. Pero hinahayaan natin na bronze tayo. Alam nyo, nagtatapon po kayo ng pera. Pina-flush out nyo po yung income nyo. Kasi kung hindi natin i-work out yung goal mo to rank up, you are throwing away money. Kasi alam mo, pag bronze tayo, hanggang second level lang yan. Third level, fourth level, fifth level, sixth level, seventh level, eighth level, hindi mo yan makukuha. Kaya dito, kung meron po tayong goal, it measures the progress. It track your progress. Kaya importante na magsiset po tayo ng goal kasi nakikita natin ano pa ang kulang natin. To become silver, anong kailangan mo dyan? How to become silver? In passing sa ating Zoom, pinakikita nga po yun na dapat hindi na nga yan kailangan ipakita. Pero bakit pinapakita doon? Para maintindihan natin, ganyan pala ang silver, 20 pala, ang gold, 100. Ang ano pala, ang platinum, 500 pala. Kaya ko yan. Isipin mo kung wala po tayong desire na mag-level up. Paano natin ma-measure ang progress? So number 3 is it keeps you track. Isipin mo pag may goal po tayo, nata-track po natin ang ating pong progress. So the art of tracking your progress. Number 1, break down your goal into smaller goals. So halimbawa, gusto mo maging diamond. Anong kailangan mo para maging diamond? You need to have at least 3 platinums with a total of 2,500. Okay, 3 platinums in 3 different legs. Ngayon, para ma-build mo yung platinum na yan, saan ka mag-uumpisa? Doon ka muna sa invitation. Kung wala ka pa, nag-i-start ka pa lang, okay, it is Juan. Ipo-prospect mo na ngayon si Juan. Kung si Juan nakikita mo na possible potential leader yan, work closely on Juan. Hello, ilagay mo kay Juan ang energy mo. I-close mo si Juan, i-duplicate mo si Juan. Hello, turuan mo si Juan. I-xerox mo yung sarili mo through Juan. Nagigets mo po? Break down the goals into smaller goals. Write the progress in diary. Alam niyo po ba dati when I was starting, palibhasa ako po ay accountant, naka-ledger po yung aking po mga prospects. Naka-ledger. Alam niyo po ba ibig sabihin nun? Halimbawa, si Juan is target ko, prospect ko. Naka-ledger doon, nakasulat doon. Tinawagan ko siya ng February 10. Anong sabi ni Juan? Nag-pre-enroll. Nakaganon. Tapos kung sino yung mga potential leader ko dyan, chine-check ko kung ano na yung growth nila. Papunta na sila doon. At doon na ako nagfo-focus. Write the progress in a diary. Review the results and look for improvements. Nagko-cope up ba? Kasi mamaya you are barking on the wrong tree. Sometimes, akala mo yung directs mo ang makakapagpaangat sa'yo. Pero yung pala, hindi pala yun. Nandun pala sa baba niya. Okay? So be focused on what do you want. If you really want to become diamond, if you really want to achieve your goal, have that specific action plan. Halimbawa, gusto mong mag-diamond. Isa na lang ang kulang mo. Isang platinum. Sobra ka na sa points. So saan mo ilalagay ang yung burst of energy? Idi doon sa kulang mo. Hello po. That's how you track your work. Itatrack mo yon. Na kailangan yung goal mo, yung action mo is congruent to your goal. Hindi yung goal mo is mag-platinum. Kulang ka lang isa, pero iba naman ang ginagawa natin. Just a piece of advice. So you have to focus on your focus, on the right focus. Okay? Celebrate every successful step. Ayan. So I hope na nakatulong po ito, no? In tracking your success in Live Good. So that is number 4. Now, punta na po tayo dito sa last part, and that is setting up your goal. Alam nyo, coaches, Live Good family, success is really our choice. Hindi po si upline. It is your own decision. Your upline can only inspire you. But the motivation is the inner conviction of yourself. You have to make a choice. Do you want to become a bangers or spillwaiters? Or you want to become a spill maker or a business builder? Dito po sa atin sa LGSEI, as much as possible, we want to remove the bangers. There is a fast way to make a fast income and live good. Bakit natin isasabotage yung napakagandang opportunity na meron po dito sa Live Good? Again and again, success is our choice. Kasi from the very beginning, create tayo ng Diyos para maging successful. Success is our destiny. However, God gave us the gift of choice. Na choice na maging successful tayo, the choice na maging failure tayo. The choice to become a loser and the choice to become a winner. Parang kagaya lang yan ng isang agila. Ang agila, dinisenyo ng Lord para lumipad, mag-soar. Kaya ang agila, pag may bagyo, lumilipad pa yan sa taas pa ng bagyo. Wala kang makikitang agila na maglulugmok sa isang tabi. Ang agila, magsosoar talaga yan. Mas mataas pa sa bagyo. Kasi ang disenyo ng agila is to soar. And soaring is their destiny. Pero ang desire kasi ng agila is to soar. Kaya nagsosoar sila. Kasi yung desire nila is really to soar. Tayo, paano natin mai-implement yung success? It came from the word desire. So what we're gonna do now is to plant the seed of desire in our hearts. In our hearts, we have to plant the seed of desire. Can you please type in the chat box desire? Kailangan po tayong magkaroon ng pagnanasa. Pagnanasa na gusto natin talagang abutin ang ating mga pangarap dito sa Live Good. And this the last part, this is the roadmap that will tell us paano ba natin aabutin ang ating po mga pangarap. Thank you, Cheryl. Okay, thank you, Gary. Desire. This is very, very important. The burning desire. Okay. The last part. The strategies to achieve your goal. We're gonna use her different strategies. Number 1, the power of 2. Because if we're gonna use the power of 2, it will help us fill the matrix faster. The 2 get 2 and teach the 2 to get 2, 2, di ba? Imagine mo yung power of 2. Ano nung sinasabi lagi ni Tim Miller? Just get the 2 and help this 2 to get 2. So ano po ang sinasabi natin dito sa Soaring Eagles International? Go for bronze in your first week. Pass it on and maximize the matrix. So what we're gonna do here is create a bronze factory na wala pong maiiwan na bronze. Ay, walang maiiwan na affiliate. Lahat po ay magbo-bronze. And then the power of 10. The power of 10 will fast-track your business growth. Isipin mo kung lahat tayo magpa-power of 10. Mamaya papakita ko po sa inyo. And lastly, the power of 5. The power of 5 will build your crown diamond. Asaan tayo dyan? Option number 1, option number 2, option number 3. Okay. So, himay-himayin po natin ito. The easiest way to build a business is the power of 2. Huwag naman po yung abangers, yung walang gagawin. Although bagamat totoo na pwede po tayong kumita sa LiveGood nang wala tayong in-enroll. Pero may magagawin tayo and that is mag-subscribe. Pero, ang kalaban ng Spillwater is really mainip. Yung maiinip po talaga tayo. Pero ito intindihin natin na mabuti ang power of 2. Imaginein mo if you are here and you enroll 2 in your first week and you teach the same thing, the same pattern, na itong pinasok mong tao, turuan mo din na mag-enroll din sila ng first week. At lahat yan, naka-mindset na lahat ay first week, kumukuha ng dalawa. Isipin mo, mabilis po mapuno ang ating pong matrix. Isipin mo yan recruiting 2, this is you, nag-enroll ka ng first week 1 mo, ng 2, ang liit-liit po ng income, delayed gratification concept, 50 cents. Pero naging 4 po sila, naging $1. That 4 becomes 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 56, 512, 1,024, 2,048, 4,096, 1,024 up to here. Alam niyo sa level 12 for unrank, that is already 2,047. Dito, pinakikita sa atin, sa 13th week, for bronze, kumita na tayo ng $4,096. Hello? So sa power of 2, mas mabilis po mapuno ang ating pong matrix. 15 weeks, wala pang 2 months, wala pang 4 months, puno na po agad ang matrix. 65,000 na po yan agad. 65,000 na yan. Hello? Sa 15th weeks. So wala pang 4 months, puno na agad ang matrix. Pero kung tayo po ay magiging abangers, aantayin lang natin ang ating upline para magpuno ng matrix. Sa lawak ng matrix, naaabot ng 65,000. Diba? Sa pinakamababa, 32,000. Imagine that. Paano yun mapupuno? Kung upline lang, anong sinasabi ko dati? Kuba na yung upline natin, hindi mapupuno ang matrix. Kung isa lang ang kikilos. Pero kung lahat tayo kikilos, mag-i-enroll ng kahit dala-dalawa sa unang linggo, wala pang 4 na buwan, puno na ang matrix. Perfect duplication po yun. Magkano ang kikitain ng 15th level diamond? That is $16,000 plus. That's 800,000 plus pesos. So pagpalagay na lang natin, wag na lang linggo-linggo. Sabihin na lang natin isang buwan, 2 tao. Isang buwan, 2 tao. Hello, LiveGood family. Isipin mo after 1 year, kumikita ka ng $2,000 per month. Hello? Or maybe on 13th month, nag 4,000 plus na yan. Still, may income. Kasi nag-enroll. Paano kung wala? So yung power of 2 will eliminate, will destroy the abangers. Kumbaga, ang point natin dito, napakadali na ng LiveGood. Huwag naman tayo maging tamad. Sorry pero kung happy subscriber ka lang, I do suggest you buy the product of LiveGood. Para gamitin mo po yan para makapagkwento ka kung ano yung naging benefit sa'yo ni LiveGood. But here, napaka-imposible na wala po kayong 2 tao. 2 tao lang yan If you want just to enjoy the matrix, 2 person could change the story of your LiveGood business and teach this 2 to get 2 as well. Okay po? So that is the power of 2. Mapabilis. Yan po ang itunuturo sa atin doon po sa ating mga Zoom presentation. Kasi yan po yung pinakamadali. Yung kumuha ng at least 2. Kasi wala tayong 2 taong kakilala, magdasal na po tayo. Lord, anong kasalanan ko? Bakit walang 2 tao man lang maniwala sa akin? Okay? So go for bronze in your first week, pass it on and maximize the matrix. Go for bronze in your first week, pass it on, duplicate and maximize the matrix. Teamwork makes dream works. Huwag po nating hayaan na si upline lang ang pupuno ng matrix. Ngayon, itong power of 10. Itong power of 10, medyo may kahirapan to, It's in some some sort. Pero, kung talagang buhay na buhay ang pangarap mo at talagang seryoso ka, na gusto mo talagang maging diamond, enrolling 10 people is highly attainable. Ako po, nakapag-enroll po ako ng 10 in just 1 day and a half. 30 people in 1 week time. Pero kuratsa po talaga ako noon. Wala pong digital platform. Lahat yun organic. Pinagtatatawagan ko yun. Okay po? So now, look at this. In your first month, kumuha ka ng 10. Bakit nire-recommend po itong Power of 10? Tinuro to sa atin ni Coach Fernan. Ito po ang magiging gateway natin para tayo ay maging gold. Kasi pag itong 10 na to, tinuruan mong kumuha ng 10, second month gold ka na. At habang ito, no, yung 10 mo, kumukuha ng tigi-tigisa, mabilis kang magiging silver. So yung pagiging bronze mo, papasadahan mo lang yan. Pero hindi mo yan tatambayan. Ako hindi ko mga nalaman yung pagiging bronze ko kasi silver agad in 1 day and a half. So second month, bronze na yan. Ay gold na yan. Ay ano, fourth month, malamang sa malamang, diamond ka na talaga dyan. 'Di ba? Magkano kikitain? $2,500. On what? On matrix alone. Hindi pa kasama ang fast start. So itong Power of 10, this will fast track the growth of our business. Pero wait lang po, no? So ganyan ang growth, no? Kikita tayo sa Power of 10. Mas mabilis ang growth. Pero perfect duplication yan. However, on the last part, listen very carefully. Kung tayo po talaga ay seryoso, na gusto nating maging diamond at maging crown diamond, sa 10 na in-enroll mo, you get the top 5 of those 10. You have to choose the top 5 in your business na dyan mo ilalagay ang power mo, ang energy mo, ang love mo, ang dedication mo, lahat bigay mo dyan. Ilagay mo yung best of 5 mo. Na kung saan nagkakausap kayo ng madalas, brainstorming madalas, planning madalas, okay? Activities madalas, nagwo-work hand on hand kayo. Kasi pag sa first month mo, you have this power of 5. You have this top 5 in you. Okay? They are your assets. They are your inventories. Diyan po sa top 5 na yan, in your first month. First month, kaya-kaya po ang top 5. Hanapin mo po yung mga materiales de puertes mo na 5. Work on those closely. Ako po ngayon, I'm more on looking for top leaders na po talaga. Okay? I'm working more on people who are serious to really work on their dreams. Para sa akin, buhay lang ang pangarap mo, malaman ko na you are teachable, you are willing to follow direction, and you are willing to take action, Power of 5 kita. I will match my commitment with your commitment. Ganon. Sa first month, you get this 5, bronze ka na. Magkano kita mo? Sa weekly fast start, you have 7,000 pesos. Your weekly fast start is 50%. Second month, tinuruan mo yung 5, kumuha din ng top 5 niya. 25 ka na, you are already silver on your second month. Slow is fast. You make 14,000 pesos, an income of $250. So, level 2, magkanong income mo? 25 times $5. That is how much? 10%, no? Kikita po tayo dyan ng $250. Tama ba? And then on the third month, okay, yung 25, tinuruan mong kumuha ng 5, that is 125, kikita ka na dyan ng 17,500. Tingnan lang natin yung mabuti, yung duplication process. Ito, kailangan may goal setting ito sa grupo. Nasasabihan natin yung team natin na if we focus on the top 5, 5. Sabi nga ni Coach Billy, dati itong 5 na to, ginagamit ko tong strategy sa dati kong company. Okay po? So itong top 5 na to, ito yung magpapa-crown diamond sa'yo. Kasi sa crown diamond, that is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So syempre, hindi mo naman makukuha agad yan Itong top 5 na to habang wino-workout mo, yung top 3 mo, mangunguna yan, diamond ka na dyan. Hello? Kaya kung ang focus mo is yung top 5 mo, yan yung paa mo, papunta ka doon sa crown diamond. Hello? Take a look on this now. Let's continue. Pag tinuloy-tuloy natin yung power of 5, you teach this 25 leaders to get 5, that is 125. They're top 5, no? Kikita ka na ng 17,500 in your third month. And then on the fourth month, the 125, tuturuan mo pa rin ng power of 5. Isipin mo power of 5 lagi. Top 5, your top 5, top 5. Platinum na po tayo. Ang income natin dyan is 87,500. Sa fast start pa lang. So, alam mo na kung magkano income ng platinum, right? So, dito sa fifth month, ayan, diamond na po tayo. Kita na tayo dyan sa weekly fast start ng 262,500. Kaya, yung sinasabi po na $10,000 para sa diamond, totoo po yun. Minimum. So, 5 to 6 month, diamond ka dyan. Kasi 3,125, kumuha ng 5, 15,000 yan. So, magkano kita on the 6th month? Potential. 15,675. 875,000 potential income on the 6th month. And on the 7th month, yung 15,625, tinuruan mong kumuha ng taglilima, 78,125. You are already crown diamond. Wow! Woohoo! Tingnan niyo po yung projection. Kailan naging crown diamond si Coach Fernan? Naging crown diamond siya on the 6th month. He got this top leader in his leg na umarangkada at na-duplicate ng tama, kaya na-hit niya on the 6th month. Are you with me? How much is it na kailangan? 50,000. Kung meron kang tamang 5 tao na nakaabang dyan sa organization mo, na meron kayong parehas ng inyong alignment ng inyong isip, ng inyong inspiration, ng inyong direction, what do you think will happen to your organization? Kaya dito po, sana nakatulong po sa atin ito pong goal setting natin, na ano yung mga best strategy that we are going to do so that we could maximize the opportunity of Live Good. Hello? Grabe, no? So can you please type diamond kung naniniwala pa kayo na attainable? Attainable ba ang maging diamond? Can you please type attainable? Okay. So wag po diamond, sorry. Paki-type nyo po sa chat box attainable. Attainable. Thank you, Jinky. Okay, thank you, Romeo. Attainable. Attainable. Wow, congratulations. Thank you. Thank you, G-Force. Thank you, Alberto. Thank you. Constancia, attainable. Baby Baktat, Compostela, attainable. Talaga naman talagang attainable kasi nagawa na yan eh. So, ibig sabihin lahat tayo papunta tayo dyan. Pero itong hapon na to, itong gabi na to, tinuro po sa atin what is the roadmap for us to really become diamond, or for us to level up one step, one rank at a time. Okay po? So wow, so I'm happy. Congratulations sa ating pong lahat. And I just hope na meron po tayong na-learn ngayong gabi. Can you please type learn in this chat box kung meron po mga na-learn? So maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga leaders, okay po, na nag-stay tuned. You focus, continue on this, no? You focus of really working on yourself, and you will attract of who you really become. Okay, so maraming salamat. My last parting words sa bawat isa po sa atin dito. Okay po, allow me to read this. Please, wag niyo pong makakalimutan. I-recite niyo po by heart ang Deuteronomy chapter 8, verse 17 to 18. Pwede po nating basahin itong lahat, no? You may say to yourself, my power and the strength of my hands have produced this wealth for me. But remember the Lord your God, for it is He who gives you the ability to produce wealth, and so confirms His covenant, which He swore to your ancestor as it today. So, meaning to say, Live Good family, wag na wag po natin makakalimutan ang mag-pray. Humingi po tayo ng proper guidance kay Lord. Kasi alam nyo, lahat po yan is posible. Ihingi po natin kung sino po yung mga tao na dadalhin po sa atin ng Diyos. Hindi po natin yan kaya na tayo lang. Because apart from God, we are totally nothing. Unahin po natin ang Diyos. Kaya may suggestion to all of you who are truly serious na gawin ang Live Good at gusto nyo maging diamond, huwag nyo pong solohin ito. Let us pray and trust God by all our hearts na si Lord po ang magbibigay sa atin ng tamang tao, ng tamang belief, ng tamang wisdom, ng tamang understanding para maging successful po tayo sa business. And last is yung Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5 to 6. Trust in the Lord with all your hearts. Do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him and He will direct your path. So sana, thank you sa lahat ng mga coaches. Thank you, Live Good family, for all those who are in the Zoom. Naway tayo po ay nag-learn. Congratulations everybody. Congratulations. Thank you for tuning in to all the leaders. Maraming salamat. I'm excited na kayo po ay maging diamond in the next 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Okay? Okay, so basta keep our eye on it at wag po tayong titigil, wag po tayong hihinto hanggat hindi po natin maaabot ang ating pong mga pangarap. With that, thank you so much and God bless everyone. Bye-bye everybody. Thank you, Live Good family. Bye!